Hey everyone, welcome back to Tibezra. I'm Henry, and today we're diving into what I eat in a day. From breakfast to dinner, I'll be sharing my food choices, nutritional insights, and some meal preparation tips. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest content. Let's jump into a day of healthy eating. Starting off with breakfast, the most important meal of the day. I'm opting for a nutrient-packed smoothie with spinach, banana, berries, and a scoop of protein powder. This gives me the energy boost I need to kickstart my day. Around mid-morning, I like to have a snack that's both satisfying and nutritious. Today, it's a handful of almonds and a piece of fruit. This combo provides a good balance of healthy fats, fiber, and vitamins to keep me going. Lunchtime, I've prepared a colorful salad with a mix of greens, cherry tomatoes, cucumbers, grilled chicken, and quinoa. This meal is not only visually appealing but also loaded with a variety of nutrients, including protein and essential vitamins. For an afternoon pick-me-up, I'm having a refreshing green tea. It's a great source of antioxidants and helps me stay hydrated. I'll also grab a small serving of Greek yogurt with a drizzle of honey for that perfect balance of sweetness. Before hitting the gym, I like to have a snack that provides the right fuel. Today, it's a banana and a scoop of almond butter. The combination of carbohydrates and healthy fats gives me sustained energy for my workout. Dinner is a hearty serving of grilled salmon, steamed broccoli, and quinoa. Salmon is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, and pairing it with nutrient-dense veggies and a whole grain like quinoa makes for a wholesome and satisfying meal. Ending the day with a smart indulgence, a small piece of dark chocolate and a herbal tea, it's the perfect way to satisfy my sweet tooth without overdoing it on calories. And there you have it, a glimpse into my day of healthy eating. Remember, everyone's nutritional needs are different, so it's essential to find a balance that works for you. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and let me know in the comments your favorite go-to meals. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights into healthy living. Until next time, stay happy and healthy.